Hello students, recently we completed the introduction of acids and bases. Next, today I'm going to discuss about the acids. What are the acids and what are the characteristics of acids when acids are reacting with metals or carbonates decomposed by the carbonates, and what are the products that we are getting and what are the types of acids that we are going to discuss today. So everyone write in the running notes. First, acids were first characterized by Robert Boyle. After that, Lavoisier proposed that all acids contain oxygen. According to his point of view, each and every acid must contain oxygen. After that, Davy proposed that all acids should contain hydrogen. Now, let us discuss about these theories, these proposals. Before that, what are the properties of acids? What are the properties of acids? Already discussed about the acids are turned blue litmus to red and acids sour taste. Acid, already these 2 points we discussed in the introduction video. And next one is important one, acid reacting with metal. When acids react with metals, it liberates hydrogen gas. Acids react with metals, it liberates hydrogen gas. Already this activity is there in our textbook. So now I am giving the example. Acid HCl reacting with the metals, that is zinc is a metal. HCl reacting with the zinc, it produces ZnCl2 plus hydrogen by the balancing 2HCl. So acid react with the metals, they are producing the hydrogen. So this is the point. The third one, acid with the metal, it liberates hydrogen gas. And next, acid decomposes. Next one, acid decompose the carbonates and liberates the CO2. Acids decompose the carbonates and they are liberates the CO2. That means Na2, if you are taking that Na2CO3 carbonates, Na2CO3 sodium carbonate is reacting with HCl. What they are producing? Sodium carbonate reacting with HCl. Byproducts are NaCl, sodium chloride, and H2O, water molecule, and CO2. CO2 is liberating here. So NaCl, 2NaCl, and 2HCl. So Na2CO3 react with HCl with acids, it liberates CO2 gas. That is the next point. Next one, acid neutralize the base. Already acid and base are reacting with each other, then they are producing the corresponding salts with water. That point already we discussed in the introduction video. So these are the characteristics, properties of acids. Turned red litmus to blue litmus to red, and acids are sour taste. When acid react with the metals, they are producing hydrogen gas, and acid decompose the carbonates. So acid decompose the carbonate, it liberates the CO2. So the third and fourth activities are there in your textbook, once check out. And fifth one, acid neutralize the base and they are producing the corresponding salts with water. And next one, types of acids. We are having two types of acids are there, hydroacids and oxyacids. So hydroacids are, according to the Lavoisier, he proposed the first point. According to the Lavoisier, all acids should contain oxygen. So that acids are oxyacids. According to Davy, all acids should contain hydrogen. Those are the hydroacids. Reactions when acid dissolved in water. So what it is, how when acid is reacting with water, dissolved in water. So what are the changes are there? Once you should observe the reactions. So HCl, hydrochloric acid, dissolved in water, it produces H plus and Cl minus ions. It dissociate into H plus and Cl minus ions, and H2SO4 decomposes, it dissolves and it is separated into, dissociate into H plus and SO4 minus 2 ions, and in H3PO4 dissociate into H plus and PO4 minus 3 ions, and HNO3 dissociate into H plus NO3 minus, and H4P2O6 hypophosphoric acid, it decomposes into H plus and P2O6 minus 4 ions. So all the reactions when acid dissolved in water, how the dissociation is taking place. Here you should observe one point. In the introduction video I mentioned there more H plus ions, more H plus strong acid, less H plus weak acid. That point I discussed there. So if you are observing here, in the first HCl, H plus Cl minus, and in the HCl only one hydrogen is there, HCl. H2SO4 2 hydrogens, H3PO4 3 hydrogens, HNO3 1 hydrogen, and H4P2O6 4 hydrogens are there. So this is nothing but the basicity of acids. Basicity of acids. So here the number of replaceable hydrogen atoms present in one molecule is basicity. Number of replaceable hydrogen atoms present in one molecule is basicity. So that is a very important point. So now HCl basicity is 1, H2SO4 basicity is 2, H3PO4 basicity is 3, HNO3 basicity is 1, and H4P2O6 basicity is 4. Remember the ionic forms also you should remember, make a note of it. Next and the very important one is, so we are very confusing about that what are the H plus ions and what are the H3O plus ions. What is the difference between these two? So most of the cases in your workbook and textbook also, acids are producing H3O plus ions. What is the difference is, I'm going to explain here like this. So here when acid is dissolving in water, they are producing H plus and Cl minus ions. When this H plus and Cl minus, H plus and Cl, H plus and H2O, both are reacting with each other in aqueous solution. So the H plus must react with H2O and it is producing H3O plus ion. That is the hydronium ion. That is why all acids are producing, simply we are saying that all acids are producing hydronium ion. Next, coming to the oxyacids. That is oxides with water. Oxides with water, oxides are reacting with water, then they are producing corresponding acids. Suppose if I are taking that SO3, sulfur trioxide, is reacting with water, H2O, it produces H2SO4, sulfuric acid. And the next reaction also given here, N2O5 plus H2O gives rise to HNO3. So you should remember the point that it is oxides react with water, they are producing the acids, those are called the oxyacids. So first one is hydroacids and oxyacids as given here. So this is about the acids, and in another way we are simply saying that it is non-metal oxides also acids. Non-metal oxides are also acids, and acids are good conductors of electricity, that may be in aqueous solution or fused state or molten state. So this is about the acids. So dear students, everyone should make running notes, and whatever the topics that we discussed in the first page, so in this page some points are there, third and fourth point, these two activities are there in your textbook. So that is acid react with metal, so it liberates hydrogen gas, and acid decomposes carbonates, it liberates carbon dioxide gas. So the two activities you should read and prepare the running notes, and if you are having any doubts, contact me. Thank you.